to
yeah.
capture every angle. They can just capture us.
Very well.
I'm not sure what exactly.
They don't sack Abure.
Okay, what the court said today is nothing unusual. Because the real issue here is that when they went to, Julius Abure and his group went to the Federal High Court, they went and made a claim that they were entitled to be the leaders of the party. Then that judgment was set aside by the Court of Appeal. But in so doing, the Court of Appeal went ahead and declared Abure the national chairman. So when we came to the Supreme Court looked at the cases and said that no, that since the two lower courts have found that the substantive dispute was the issue of leadership of a political party, that they had no jurisdiction to pronounce Abure as national chairman of the party.
Supreme Court sacked Julius Abure as national chairman of the Labour Party. In an unanimous decision delivered by a 5-member panel, the Appeals Court ruled that the Court of Appeal in Abuja has overstepped its bans by recognizing Abure as Labour's chairman. But here is the kicker. The Supreme Court doesn't just reject the ruling, it went a step further to declare that matter of party leadership strictly an internal affairs. One, the judiciary has no business meddling in. To top it off, the court noted that Abure's tenure had already expired, raising even more questions about the legitimacy of his claim to power. Welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Politics. Today, we are breaking down the latest twists in the leadership crisis rocking the Labour Party, with Julius Abure now officially out. What's next for the party? Is this a step towards stability or a deeper dive into chaos? Julius Abure, politician and lawyer from Edo State, rose to prominence in 2021 when he became the national chairman of the Labour Party following the death of the former chairman Alhaji Abdulkadir Abdulsalam. Under Abure's leadership, the parties gained national attention, particularly during the 2023 election, with Peter Obi's presidential bid gaining widespread support. However, in April 2023, Abure was suspended by his ward in Edo State due to allegation of forgery, financial misconduct, and anti-party activities. This accusation led to internal conflicts within the party, the deputy chairman South declaring himself the acting chairman. This accusation led to internal conflicts within the party, with Lamidi Akpakpa, the deputy chairman South, declaring himself the acting chairman. On February 21, 2024, Abure was arrested in Abuja and taken into police custody over the same allegation. Ironically, this arrest occurred on the very same day that the Court of Appeal ruled in Abure's favor, confirming his position as chairman, but the Supreme Court quickly overturned that ruling, stating that party's leadership issues are not for the court to decide. The court also declared that Abure's tenure has already ended, dismissing the cross-appeal filed by Abure's camp for lack of merit. The appeal that led to the Supreme Court ruling was filed by Senator Esther Nemadi Usman and another appellant, who challenged the Court of Appeal earlier decision. The Supreme Court found this appeal meritoriously and ruled in their favor, stating that the Court of Appeal did not have power over the matter, as it was strictly an internal party affair. Meanwhile, the cross-appeal filed by Abure's camp was dismissed for lacking merit. With this ruling, the Labour Party now faces a movement of reckoning. The question isn't just who leads, but whether the party can emerge from this legal battle with unity, or if this will trigger a full-blown crisis ahead of the next election. Some see this as a necessary clean-up and a chance for the LP to recognize a re-established internal democracy. Others see it as a power play, possibly driven by internal forces' anger to weaken the party from within, especially after its surprisingly strong performance in the 2023 election. This Supreme Court judgment is bigger than Abure's leadership. It sends a powerful message about the importance of internal party democracy and the limits of judicial involvement in political matters. The real question is, why do Nigeria political parties struggle so much with internal discipline? Abure may be out, but the Labour Party future is uncertain. Can it hold together, or will this truly lead to more factionalism? The big question now is this judgment a chance for the Labour Party to rebuild stronger, or will it lead into deeper division? Now let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is Abure's political career over, or will it make a comeback? How can the whole piece survive the storm in place? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates right here on Niger Anchor News Let's Talk Politics.